Hello students, welcome back to our maths class. In this video, we are going to solve question number 17 from the Karnataka SSLC Model Question Paper 2026. This question is from Arithmetic Progression and is very important for the board exam. I will explain every steps clearly exactly in the exam writing format. Question number 17, in an arithmetic progression, if S20 is equal to 820 and A20 is equal to 79, then find its first term. First of all, let us write what is given in the question. S20 is equal to 820, A20 is equal to 79, N is equal to 20. We know that the formula for sum of n terms of an AP is Sn is equal to n upon 2 into A plus An. Now substitute n is equal to 20, Sn is equal to 820 and A20 is equal to 79. Therefore 820 is equal to 20 upon 2 into A plus 79. This implies 820 is equal to 10 into A plus 79. 20 is divisible by 2 how many times? 10 times. Now divide both sides by 10. So we get 82 is equal to A plus 79. Now isolate A. Move 79 to the other side. Therefore A is equal to 82 minus 79. Therefore A is equal to 3. The first term of the AP is 3. Now we solve our part. Question is, how many numbers between 201 and 401 are divisible by 6? Numbers divisible by 6 between 201 and 401 are 204, 210, 216 and so on. Last term is 396. This is an arithmetic progression. First term 204, common difference D is equal to 6. Last term An is equal to 396. Use nth term formula. Therefore An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now substitute the value. This implies 396 is equal to 204 plus n minus 1 into 6. 396 minus 204 becomes 192 is equal to n minus 1 into 6. Now divide both sides by 6. This implies 32 is equal to n minus 1. Now isolate n. Therefore n is equal to 32 plus 1 is equal to 33. There are 33 numbers between 201 and 401 divisible by 6. Practice these steps carefully to score full marks in Karnataka SSLC 2026. Like, share and subscribe for more model paper solutions.